A very good morning everyone. I Shmeet welcome you all over here at CPJ campus today. Today we are having an orientation program for first year students of BBA, BBA Camp and BCA for academic session 2025. Today we are graced with the presence of our chief guest for today, Dr. Anuradha Chugh, Associate Professor USICT, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, Dwarka, Delhi. Ma'am, CPJ welcomes you wholeheartedly.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am, as the chief guest today, today's program, what are your views for the importance of the orientation session of the first year students?
See, actually, it's a door to one. This is the place where the student leave the school and then enter into the college life. And in student life, they have very whims and fancies about the college that it's all about masti and everything. But actually, it is not. So orientation is very important because in orientation, you tell them, all the students, that it's not about the book that is going to provide you the information. The information you will be getting through your own hard work. You will be exploring new things. You will be experimenting with your friends. It must be you're sitting in a canteen and then exploring some IoT sensors and developing some kind of prototype. So it's not always the information, because in school, whatever the information they get, whatever knowledge they get, it is always through the teacher in the class. Whereas in college, it's not that. It is not through only the teacher who provides the information. It's actually the way they hang out together, the way they plan together, they dream together, and then they conceptualize some new things together, then they experiment something together, and then college provides them the infrastructure, some kind of, let's say they want some kind of sensor, they want some kind of equipment that is being provided by the college, and then this is how they develop. They have to really evolve. So orientation is very important because then it changes it's a paradigm shift. They have to, this is very required them to be introduced. So I think orientation is very important in their life.
Right, ma'am. As your vast experience and valuable in principles, you just want to tell the students that now they have started their career. So what, as a young mindset, they should know about that?
I always tell them that to all my students that as a young mind, the very first thing is that there must be a concept of hard, H-A-R-D, hard work. And this hard stands for, H stands for habits. They must develop good habits. A stands for aptitude. Aptitude is very important in life because the teachers sometimes might scold them, sometimes, might correct them. So they should always take it in a positive stride. And then the R stands for resilience. Resilience is again very important because, you always have a falls. So how you stand up against those zero falls, that is very important, the resilience. And then last is D, is discipline. The discipline is very important. If I have to get up at 5, do this task, I have to do this task. You can't shift the goalpost that I'll do it tomorrow. So I always tell my students that HARD always stands for habits, attitude, resilience, and discipline.
That's great, ma'am. I hope the students will definitely have a valuable lecture and to understand your worldview. Ma'am, anything else you want to say of conclusion of the program today?
In fact, this is the best part of this CPJ college that, here the LLB is also there, the BBA is also there, the BCA is also there. So the kind of, the students can interact beyond boundaries.
Right.
That is the most important thing. Like I tell you that if they want to develop some kind of application, now today is the life of AI, ML, everybody knows that artificial intelligence and machine learning is now entered into everybody's house. So now they can think beyond boundaries. A management student can bring some ideas from the management. The law student can bring ideas from something from the law. And then they can be clubbed together to make some kind of prototype. So beyond boundaries, the student should think, perceive, conceptualize, and then implement that concept.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for coming today and giving us your precious time. Hope you have a good time at CPJ today.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.